Hi everybody, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and I have a fun new item to show you today. So I'm holding a bouquet of flowers. Why am I holding a bouquet of flowers? It's because there's something really special inside of them. So if you look, there's something very sparkly in my flowers. And what that sparkly thing is I'm going to pull it out. It is a flower pin. So this is a beautiful Austrian crystal by Prestige Crystal. And I have the oval shape, which is 25 millimeters. And it is mounted on a piece of wire. The wire is about 18 gauge thick and about 12 inches long. It is something you can wire wrap or cut. I want to show you the back of this too. So you see it's really nicely, securely mounted. So this would be beautiful for wedding bouquets, bridesmaid bouquets, prom corsages or boutonnieres because you can trim it so it'd look lovely on a lapel. And then if you want to, you can put it in your flower bouquets. And I'm actually going to be having it in my flower bouquets around my house because it's just really beautiful and happy. So I'm going to show you that sparkle again. You just take it and you literally just set it down into the bouquet. Super easy to do. And then you've got that sparkle in there. You can put 1 in there, 3, whatever you like. So it's a really fun new item we have over at Beadaholique.com. And we're gonna have other creative ideas for it as well, but I really do love it just as a flower pin. I think it's really beautiful, especially if you're doing some handmade items for your wedding. This would be a beautiful addition. Just elevate your bouquet in a really simple, easy way, but it adds that extra sparkle. If you like this flower pin or you're looking for other DIY ideas for jewelry, maybe even your own wedding jewelry, please head over to Beadaholique.com. We have lots of free tutorials, and of course we have all the supplies available for it as well. Thanks everyone.